Hey guys, it's Alpha, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get your own Minecraft server that runs 24/7 and anyone can join without you having to be online. So to get started, we're going to head to our internet browser and we're going to head to zap-hosting.com/alphamc just here, and then this will take you to this page here, where you can choose out of any of these options. Minecraft will be pre-selected, but then there are also options for modded clients of Minecraft if you're playing and you want to have mods. So here you can select on here, you've got Minecraft Vanilla, which is just without mods. Then you've got, Spigot, Forge, Bedrock, in case you wanted to play on Bedrock Edition, which is the cross-platform version. And of course, you've got lots of other versions of Minecraft as well that can be preloaded here. So if you want the base game just by itself with no mods, go for Minecraft Vanilla. If you want to follow my modding series on Minecraft, you're going to want to go for Minecraft Forge, and that way you'll be able to add your mods that you make into your own server. Alternatively, if you're not sure if you want to add mods in the future, you can always go for Minecraft Forge anyway, and you can still join the server without any mods installed, and it will just run as a, just a vanilla server, but with the capability of adding mods in the future. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select Minecraft Forge, and then you can choose your location. The default is in Germany, as that has highly optimized game protection, as you can see, but then there are other options, and you can always do a ping check, which then checks how much ping you will have from your computer to the server. If we scroll down a little bit more, we've got game server slots. So this is how many people can join the server at any given time. So if I put it up to 48 slots, then 48 people can play at one time. I'll just leave it at 4 for now, because I don't need many slots for my server. Memory boost, this is additional memory, which is RAM, if you're very technically minded, which, the more you add, the better your server's going to run, and it will be less laggy. So you can add more if you like, start with 0 if you want, and go up, or, if you just want to make sure that it's going to run well, add about 8 gigabytes maybe, and you'll be good to go. Obviously, with that in mind, if you are adding a lot of mods to your server, you are also going to want to add a lot more RAM. As you can see here, it shows you the recommended minimum RAM for the server that you've chosen. So it's currently got 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is included with the 4 slots. If I up the slot count to, let's say, 52 slots, now I have 5.2 gigabytes of RAM. Obviously it wants 6 gigabytes, so I could up that to, there you go, 64 slots. Now I've got 6.4 gigabytes of RAM, and I'm above the recommended minimum RAM. Or I can just have less slots and up the RAM itself to 6 gigabytes, and it'll be okay. Then you've got additional disk space. Typically you don't need to add this, but if you do want to add lots of extra add-ons and mods, then you might want to do this. Then you've got your CPU and host server. So this is the hardware that your server is running on. So if you go up to premium, your server is going to run a lot quicker. It will have better hardware, making it run faster and be less laggy. Then you've got your IP address, which is the address that you put in on Minecraft to join the server. So if you've got your own IP that you want to use, then go ahead and select that. Otherwise, it will just give you a random IP address that you will have to use. And then you've got your DDoS overview. If you've got your own IP address, I believe this is included as standard, as you can see. So if you don't want the IP address but you do want DDoS, then you can select it just there, and it's only a little bit extra. Then you've got your billing interval, which I recommend just going for once a month. Otherwise you can go up to 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, or 5 years. Alternatively, you can also go for a lifetime server, which means you pay once and you've got it forever. Which is going to be available from going to lifetime up here and then selecting what you'd like. So it'll probably be a game server in this case, but that's for you to look at. I personally do have a lifetime server. I think it's a much better choice. So if you want to go for that, if you want to have the server for the long term, then go for that as well. Once we get to payment, we can go here. I'm going to choose to pay with Zap coins, which is basically like credits on the account, because I've got some already in here. And then what you can do is you can accept these terms and conditions or whatever, but then press use voucher just here, and then enter ALFA, which is Alpha, and press redeem, and that will give you 20% off of your purchase. So obviously I've only got a $3.23 server, so it's only taken 20% of that off. But let's say you were spending $30, you know, you're going to get a good decent amount off. And this isn't just once, this is every time you pay. So if you're paying monthly, you're going to get 20% off every month. It's not just the first month, it's for the lifetime of your server. And then you can press buy now, and that will start up your server. So here you can see the discount code here as well. Sub2Alfa recommends their discount code Alpha to you. The code has already been activated and will apply to your next order. Obviously that won't be automatically activated for you guys. You have to enter it, and that way you will save 20%. So that's the code just there, Alpha. Once your server is up, it takes about 3 or 4 minutes to get started up. You will be brought to this page, which is your server overview panel. And it shows you your IP address here. So if you click to copy that, then it will copy it to your clipboard, and you can go ahead and launch your Minecraft client, and we can join the server. Just note that when you want to join your server, you need to be on the correct version. So if you go to versions on the left just here, you will see the currently installed version and the latest version available. If you want to change that, you can press this orange button just here to change your game version to the version of Minecraft that you want to play on. And then make sure that you've also got the same version installed on the Minecraft launcher before you join your server. So once you are on Minecraft, you can head to multiplayer and press add server. And then here you can just put anything for your server name. So I'm just going to put Alpha server because this is my server. And then for the server address, we're going to get the IP that we just copied from the Zap hosting webpage server panel. And then once you press done, the server will be here and we can press play to join it. And here I am on my server, where I've got me and my friends playing, and we have built a house, and you know, we're playing together. But right now, there is no one on the server, it's just me, and, you know, but that doesn't mean that they can't play. Anyone can join at any given time, so if it's that maybe you're not available all the time to host the server, then you can have this one, which runs 24/7, and they can join whenever, so you guys can play without having to all be online at the same time. But anyway guys, that is basically it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you are going on to follow my Minecraft modding tutorial series, then make sure that you've selected the Minecraft Forge option, because that is the version of Minecraft you will need to install your mods to your server and have it run properly. If you were just looking for a server to play with your friends on vanilla though, you are all good to go. Enjoy your server and enjoy your discount as well. But other than that, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the future. See you later.